In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an address book with Google Sheets. Open a new Google Sheet and name it Address Book, so it's easy to find later. In the very first row, set up your headers from left to right. First name, last name, phone number, email, street address, city, state, and zip code. These labels tell the sheet what each column represents and lay the foundation for sorting and filtering. Next, let's format for readability so your address book is effortless to scan. Start by freezing the header row. Click the first row, go to View, then Freeze, and choose one row. This keeps your headers visible as you scroll through contacts. Make the top row bold and consider changing the text color or adding a light background fill to create contrast. A subtle color helps your eyes land on the right column quickly. To make long lists easier on the eyes, select your data range and go to Format, then Alternating Colors. Pick a style that's gentle but distinct. While you are at it, adjust the column widths so nothing gets cut off. Just double-click the line between the column letters, like between A and B, and Google Sheets will auto-fit the width to your content. Now you are ready to input and organize data. Type each contact on its own row beneath the headers, keeping details aligned with the correct columns. Consistent entry now saves time later. Once you have a few entries, apply a filter so you can quickly focus on specific groups. Turn on filters from the toolbar or use the data menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see small filter icons appear in the header cells. To alphabetize by last name, click the filter icon or drop down in the last name column and select Sort A to Z. This keeps your list orderly and helps you find people faster. If you want a cleaner, more minimal look while viewing or presenting, go to View, select Show, and uncheck Grid Lines. The content remains the same, it just appears less cluttered. When you are ready to collaborate or share, click Share in the top right. Add recipients and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit. This way, a team or family can keep the address book up to date without emailing versions back and forth. That's it. Thanks for watching.